So let's take a look at some stuff that I was doing the past couple of days. So take a look at this right here. I grabbed a before image of this product out there, root beer toothpick. Stronger flavor the more you chew. Okay, cool. Didn't know there was flavored toothpicks out there. Didn't tell you how many pieces. Yeah, it said root beer here, but I don't know. It wasn't really compelling. So I made it better. So going with something like this, now I'm able to see, I put a nice root beer float here, nice and very cold. So people understand, root beer. I put 100 picks here because you didn't know before how many toothpicks you get here. Now you know you get 100 of them. Value prop. It looks like a bundle of sticks, but that's actually what root beer is. I wanted to put something on the right-hand side. And I put sugar-free over here because it is sugar-free, the value prop. There's some really cool things on how you're able to take an image like this and make it a lot better. So that's one example that I have. And then I have another one that I want to show you guys too. So I got this one here that I did. So this was apple cider vinegar gummies. So ACV. ACV, if you're not hip, apple cider vinegar gummies. Rule with supplements. And if you're a supplement brand out there, please put your ACE in below because your Q4 is coming. Your Q4 is people are doing New Year's resolutions, new year, new me, happier, healthier resolutions, right? So what do I do here? We show the apple, showing the slice, showing the gummy. This is not the exact gummy because I didn't have the asset for this, but showing a gummy over here, but you'd want to show your actual one for transparency purposes. And if you notice over here, little American flag is made in the US. And up here, what do we use up here? Dead pixel real estate space. That is the biggest thing I could tell you in the supplement space. This cap right here is a gold mine for you to put value props. So this brand put vegetarian, but on the back it says vegan. So I think they got a little confused, or maybe I'm confused, but I'm pretty sure when they mean vegan. So I want to put that value prop up here because if you're vegan, that's super important to see.